Hi, everybody. Welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness is shutting down social media claims that the government has prohibited citizens from hosting parties during the Christmas season.
The government supports and endorses the return of recreation and entertainment to spaces that have been impacted by the hurricane. And we are leading by example. But we always say, if it's party or sports or fun, at the end of the day, everybody must go back home safely. So whatever we are doing, we must recognize safety and security.
Prime Minister Holness, who was speaking at a recent event in Black River, St. Elizabeth, stated that the police will also be providing permits for parties and entertainment events in parishes affected by Hurricane Melissa.
Some places have no light, so if you go keep party, you have to put up light. You have to get one generator. People have to have water to use bathroom facilities. And some of the entertainment areas are sometimes targeted by criminals, and therefore you have to prepare for the safety of the patrons, so you need to arrange for security there.
Yardmas Carnival brings the gallery to life with its 2026 band launch costume, the Galleria. Scenes from the gallery, literally, as the band drew inspiration from some of the world's most iconic artworks, unveiling its collection on Sunday at Palace Cineplex.
This theme was just so important for the culture, important for designers in the Caribbean, and when they put on these costumes, I want them to feel like muses, just like all of them people that would get paint up long time, so yeah.
Annalisa Guthrie is the creative director of Yardmas Carnival for 2026 and also wears the hat as designer for the costumes, Venus and Dolly.
Once I heard them cheering and like the response, I felt like I had done or I had fulfilled my purpose beyond my own recognition, beyond branding, beyond relationships, just spreading what it is that we do and spreading art and spreading like love for design and love for culture.
That's it for this evening's edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.